Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul.
YouTube, this your girl Shamari TV, and I'm back with a new video. As you can tell from the title below, this will be a clean with me, so let's get straight into the freaking video. All in the bed while I'm trying to clean up. Like, he do not know what personal space is. Like, can you please stop following me while I'm trying to clean up? Like, what is you doing, sir? Like, really? And then I'm right here minding my business, y'all. Y'all see how he just literally just tried to whack me in the back of my head, on top of my head? Like, this cat is so bad. He's so freaking bad. As you can see, I was watching Bad Girls Club. So if you made it this far into the video, comment what's your favorite season of Bad Girls Club. My season is season 7, when they was in New Orleans.